everyone, welcome to Summer Holiday Workshop 2023. So here is the Kannada workshop. We have a mini Kannada workshop this year. The first is tense workshop for the beginners where we have 2 batches in this. Then comes a grammar workshop for beginners. There's a basic grammar. Then we have a Sandhi workshop which is for the students from grade 6 to grade 10. Then we have a Kannada story writing workshop and the essay writing workshop. For both of these workshops, please make sure that the child knows the basic very well. Then comes the Speak in Kannada only for kids. There are 4 batches in this. Go through the details. Similarly, we have a Speak in Kannada for adults also, 2 batches. Next, we have a SHLOKA. In the SHLOKA, we have 3 workshops. The first being for the beginners level 1 workshop. And we have a level 2 workshop where we will be teaching 2 Ashtakams. Please go through the details. And we have a Bhagavadgeethe for beginners. Selected shlokas will be taught here. Then comes a yoga. In the yoga, we have 2 workshops. The first one being Patanjali Yoga Sutra, recommended for a yoga practitioner and a teacher. Then we have a yoga for kids, which is an 8 days workshop. Please go through the details and do let me know in case of any questions. Thank you. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be. You have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like Madi, share Madi, subscribe Madi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe Madkodi. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all at the Hilta. Dhanyavad.